Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to cancel a booking on booking.com. Firstly, open the booking.com app on your phone or tablet. Then log in to your account. Now tap the three dashes menu in the top right corner, then go to Trips. Select the booking you want to cancel, then tap Manage Booking. Choose cancellation options and cancel entire booking for free if your reservation allows free cancellation. Now, confirm the cancellation when prompt and select your reason for canceling. Finally, all you have to do is tap Cancel My Booking. Once complete, you'll get a confirmation email showing your booking has been cancelled. Just know that free cancellation depends on the hotel's policy. If your booking isn't refundable, you may still be charged. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.